Brogue Moto 3 Convex 2026. Specifications and features: mirror type, bar end, convex. Mirror size, 3-inch diameter lens. Handlebar compatibility, fits both 1 and 7/8 handlebars. Design, classic and clean, with a focus on both style and function. Performance, engineered to minimize vibration at highway speeds. Visibility, provides a clear view without elbow obstruction. Installation, designed for easy installation. Brogue Classic mirror install on a 1 handlebar. We demonstrate the installation on a Triumph bobber using our 1-inch slimline finisher, machine block-off plugs, and our new Brogue Classic mirror. These same principles apply to any 1-inch handlebar or bar end mount. Brogue Classic mirror install on a 7/8 bar end. We demonstrate the installation on a Triumph Scrambler 400X using our 7/8 of a bar end mount, machine threaded mirror plugs, and our new Brogue Classic mirror. These same principles apply to any 7/8 handlebar or bar end mount. Brogue Classic mirror install on 1 bars with our machine block-off plugs. We demonstrate the installation on a Triumph T120 using our 1-inch slimline finisher, machine block-off plugs, and our new Brogue Classic mirror. These same principles apply to any 1-inch handlebar or bar end mount. Brogue Classic mirrors paired with Rhino Moto bar end mounts. We demonstrate the installation on a Kawasaki Z400 paired with Rhino Moto bar ends, machine block-off plugs, and our new Brogue Classic mirror.